Are you tired of the complexity that comes with modern coffee makers, or maybe you just need a simple, no-fuss solution to brewing your daily cup of joe? If so, the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker might be the perfect match for you. In this review, we'll explore what makes this coffee maker a standout choice for those who value simplicity and great coffee. Embrace simplicity in brewing. The Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker is a tribute to the art of simplicity. It's designed for those who appreciate the straightforward approach to making coffee. This coffee maker can brew up to 25 ounces of coffee, which is just right for filling two 12-ounce cups. If you're looking for a compact coffee maker that won't hog your kitchen counter space, the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker's compact design is here to save the day. No more guesswork. Measuring coffee grounds and water can be a hassle, especially when you're still half asleep in the morning. The updated ergonomic carafe design features ounce markings, taking the guesswork out of the equation. This means you can always get your coffee just the way you like it. Say goodbye to over or under brewing. With this coffee maker, precision is at your fingertips. Grab a cup auto pause. Do you find yourself impatiently waiting for your coffee to finish brewing, only to sneak a cup mid-brew and end up with a mess? The Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker solves this problem with its Grab a Cup Auto Pause feature. You can pause the brewing cycle to pour yourself a cup and then continue brewing, all without causing a coffee catastrophe. Easy water management. The easy-to-view water window is a simple but crucial feature. It lets you see the exact water level, preventing overflows. This small but effective design element ensures that you'll have a hassle-free brewing experience every time. Lift and clean filter basket. Cleanup is often the less enjoyable part of the coffee making process. However, with the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker, even this task is made easier. The lift and clean filter basket simplifies the cleanup process, making it a breeze to maintain your coffee maker. Better taste with water filtration. For those who are particular about the quality of their water, the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker is compatible with the Mr. Coffee water filtration disc and frame. This handy addition helps remove chlorine from the water, improving the overall taste of your coffee. Warranty and peace of mind. A 1-year limited warranty accompanies the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker, offering you peace of mind and assurance in the quality of your coffee maker. In summary, the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker stands out as the perfect companion for anyone who values simplicity and great coffee. Whether you have limited space in your kitchen, appreciate straightforward design, or just want a reliable coffee maker without all the bells and whistles, this little machine has you covered. Say goodbye to guesswork, coffee messes, and unnecessary complexities. With the Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Coffee Maker, your daily brew becomes a simple and enjoyable ritual. Sit back, sip, and savor your perfect cup of coffee. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.